it's time to throw away the old and get the new. Okay, so Daisy pack. So this is my tub of hamster food. I've got some new stuff, and this is the one that my hamster didn't like. It's got a few apple drops in, which I have no longer got any more of. But I think it's time to throw this away. I will get apple drops again. My hamster adores them, and the rabbits might, but they can have those really rarely. But it's time to say goodbye. It's very depressing. I'm joking. It's food, but you know, I'm just going to throw this away. Okay. So let's see if this will stand here. Nope. Maybe it will stand here. Sorry about this. Technical difficulties. So I don't know if you can see. But I'm going to throw my hamster food away, my old hamster food. So that's goodbye to that. It's a whole pot of hamster food. Goodbye. Joking. Now I have to go downstairs and sort out the rest of my hamster food, and I will show you that now. Before I do that, I have to say goodbye to these things. It's not August yet, is it? It's the 1st tomorrow, so and then these things smell like his old hamster food. I don't like it, it makes me feel sick. So yeah, goodbye. Those, I have to wash that pot out. I am going to now go and throw it away. Some stuff. Okay, so my journey begins now. Come, Daisy. Doggies are going to come. Come on. Come, Daisy. So just going to walk down to the basement. Just through this gate. Just through this gate. And then through this gate. She's just down by the rabbit hutch. That's got nothing in yet. And I have to clean up the stuff that my dogs have like demolished. Where's the packet? They've ripped up more of the packets. Yay, now I have to go and find them. Okay. So yeah, it's just a case of like finding them and putting them in the bin. So I'll pause it and I'll show you when it's done. Just an overlook of what it looks like. Naughty doggies, aren't you? So my stuff's all gone and the dogs are just enjoying some fish fingers. Okay. So getting into the... Oh, I've got a leaf on my hand now. This thing in here. Where my hamster stuff is, and this is the remains of the apple drops. This isn't such a bad thing. Getting rid of this, that stinks, makes me feel sick, which is in the hamster box. And for the sunflower seeds from getting rid of some baby food. I think that's it. So yeah, that's the sad thing, just getting rid of some of the hamster food. I'm joking, I'm not actually crying, but you know. So yeah, thank God I actually had a chance to get rid of that, and I'm going to go and clean my hammy out. And yeah, bye.